How often should I use vinegar to shine my tile floors?
In this video, we will be discussing the frequency of using vinegar to shine your tile floors. Vinegar is a popular and natural cleaning solution that can help maintain the shine and cleanliness of your floors. Let's break down the process and see how often you should be using vinegar on your tile floors.
Why use vinegar?
Vinegar is an excellent cleaning agent due to its acidic nature, which helps break down dirt, grime, and soap scum. Using vinegar on your tile floors can not only keep them clean but also maintain their shine. Moreover, it's an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to chemical cleaning products.
How to mix vinegar for cleaning tile floors?
To use vinegar for cleaning tile floors, mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. This will create a mild and effective cleaning solution that can be used to clean and shine your tile floors.
How often should I clean my tile floors with vinegar?
It's recommended to clean your tile floors with vinegar once a week. This frequency will help maintain the shine and cleanliness of your floors without causing damage. However, if your floors are exposed to high traffic or have visible stains, you may need to clean them more often. For routine cleaning, you can use a regular mop or a microfiber mop to clean the floors with the vinegar solution. Make sure to rinse the mop frequently during the cleaning process to avoid spreading dirt and grime.
Are there any precautions to take when using vinegar?
While vinegar is generally safe for most tile floors, you should avoid using it on natural stone tiles such as marble, granite, or limestone. The acidic nature of vinegar can damage the surface of these materials. In this case, use a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for natural stone surfaces. In summary, using vinegar to shine your tile floors is an effective and eco-friendly cleaning method. Clean your tile floors with a vinegar solution once a week to maintain their shine and cleanliness. However, remember to avoid using vinegar on natural stone tiles, as it can cause damage to the surface. Happy cleaning!